Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And about a week ago, I got an email from one of my subscribers about some information that was on this website, which is the Tecsun Radios Australia. And so I signed up to get any new updates for this website, and I got an update yesterday that says they are going to start selling a new Tecsun radio, and it's called the Tecsun R-108 long wave, medium wave, short wave, FM, and airband. And if you look closely, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, if you look closely, this looks very familiar, and it's even the same model number. Now what this is, I believe, is the Radio Wow R-108. Goes by other names. It's sold in China by a company that lets people put their brand on it. And apparently this site, Tecsun Radio of Australia, is putting their brand on this radio. It's not a Tecsun radio. And the reason I can say that is that I contacted Anna at ANON-CO, who supplies me with Tecsun radios to review, and I asked her what this was, and she replied back, as I suspected, this is not a Tecsun made radio. So I thought I'd just let you know this is just a Radio Wow, or it goes by other names, R-108, which is a very good radio. Matter of fact, I think I reviewed one that belongs to Jeff not too long ago. So just check out this website. It's Tecsun Radios Australia. I'll try to put a link in the first comment below this video. And have a great day. Oh, by the way, the solar flux is holding at 100. It's been at 100 and 101 for the past week. That's good news for us shortwave listeners. Have a great day. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. Bye-bye.